Welcome back to the coding interview series. In this video, we are going to solve a popular algorithmic problem, searching for a target value in a 2D matrix efficiently. This is a classic question that tests your understanding of binary search and matrix manipulation. Let's first understand the problem statement. We are given an M by N matrix with two specific properties. First, every row is sorted in ascending order from left to right. Second, the first integer of each row is greater than the last integer of the previous row. Our goal is to find if a specific target value exists in this matrix. There are two main ways to approach this. The brute force method would be to iterate through every single cell in the matrix, which gives us a time complexity of O of m times n. However, since the matrix is sorted, we can do much better. By using binary search, we can reduce the time complexity to O of log of m times n, which is significantly faster for large matrices. The key insight here is to visualize the matrix differently. Because the rows are sorted and the values increase sequentially from one row to the next, if we were to lay out the rows end to end, they would form a single, perfectly sorted 1D array. This means we can apply standard binary search. However, we don't want to actually create a new 1D array because that would use extra memory. Instead, we can calculate the 2D coordinates on the fly. If we treat the matrix as a flattened list with indices from 0 to m times n-1, we can map any 1D index to a row and column using these formulas. The row is the index divided by the number of columns, and the column is the index modulo the number of columns. Now let's set up our binary search. We initialize our low pointer to 0 and our high pointer to the total number of elements -1. We will then calculate the middle index just like in a standard binary search implementation. Inside our loop, we map the middle index back to a row and column to retrieve the value from the matrix. If this value matches our target, we return true. If the value is greater than the target, we know the target must be in the left half, so we move our high pointer. If the value is less than the target, we search the right half by moving our low pointer. Let's trace this with an example where we search for 34. Our search space starts from index 0 to 11. The middle index is 5, which maps to the value 11 in the matrix. Since 11 is less than 34, we know our target is in the upper half of our logical array, so we move our low pointer to index 6 and continue the search. For the complexity analysis, the time complexity is O of log of m times n, because we are performing a binary search over the total number of elements. The space complexity is O of 1, as we are only storing a few variables for indices and not allocating any new data structures. To summarize, the most efficient way to search a sorted 2D matrix is to treat it as a flattened sorted list. By using simple modular arithmetic to map indices to coordinates, we can leverage the speed of binary search without the memory cost of rebuilding the array. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.